so let's look at intransitive verbs. So these are verbs that don't need an object to make sense. They don't need an object. Verbs that can be used by themselves. So run, run, walk, walk, keep going, walk, swim, swim, now, swim, swim, swim. Maybe you could even say listen, 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 listen. So they might make a sentence by themselves, a one-word sentence. So we can use these because they don't need an object in a sentence by themselves. So simply run, run, now, run, run, run. Oh, I dropped it. Or walk, walk, keep going, walk, walk, swim. Are you going to swim? Swim, swim, go for it, swim, back and forth, swim. Listen, listen, pay attention, listen. Or he needs to run. No object here. He, subject, needs to run. He needs to run. He needs to run home. Needs to run to the shop. Anywhere. Run to anywhere. Will you run? Will you run the race? Object. Will you run on the track? Will you run round the street? Will you run there and back? There and back. There and back. Yeah. Run, walk. Will you walk with me? Ah, will you walk with me? Will you walk to there? Will you swim in that swimming pool? Will you swim there? Will you swim here? Will you swim in the race? Ah. Listen. He needs to listen. He needs to listen to me. He needs to listen to you. She needs to listen to her. Makes sense. She needs to listen. Makes sense. Will you listen to the teacher? Listen to the teacher. Will you listen to the teacher? Okay, makes sense. Or you could say, will you listen? Or just listen, listen. How cool is that? Yeah. So intransitive verbs, verbs that don't need an object to make sense. And we could make as simple as one-word sentence with them. Run, walk, swim. Run. He needs to run. Will you run? How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.